Today I talk about the beautiful valley. Only if you have been in the deepest valley can you ever know how magnificent it is to be on the highest mountain. Uh, Plains and valleys look more beautiful for those who have no hope of the summits. Mountains inspire leaders, but valley mature them. One seems great things from the valley, only small things from the peak. I have a dream that one day every valley shall be exalted, every hill and mountain shall be made low. The rough places will be made straight, and the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together. Some look at the hills from far away and see only the barren lands. Some travel amongst the hills and find the most beautiful valley. Everybody wants to reach the peak, but there is no growth on the top of a mountain. It is in the valley that we slog through the lush grass and rich soil, loving and becoming what enables us the summit's life's next peak. If we never go through any valleys, how will we know when we have reached a mountain top? How will we know if the mountain is even any good, if all our lives we stay up on the mountains and never experience any valleys? I know we did all like to avoid those valleys at all costs, but the most growth for anything happens during adversity. In the later years of your life, your happiness and your self-esteem will be determined by the mountains you surmounted, the valleys you climbed out of,